There it is.
The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm system.
Oh, shut up.
We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we will postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We will activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Bands of snow will be on the increase this morning for
first successful required weekly test. We'll go to different light on the WR300 and the WR120.
Or two of snow could fall this morning.
Alright.
Surface temperatures will fall to near freezing this morning. Bridges and overpasses will be most vulnerable to possible slippery travel.
There we go.
Motorists should alert for
I have all my
local
radios set to high volume
this morning.
because this one you can't change the volume on, so I had them all set to hear them out. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Transmitting